morning dear students. So today I will take class for BSc 3rd sem and I solve problems on differential equations. First one is solve 3 e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy equal to 0. So now we make variable separable method. So here y is there, x dx is there. We don't want tan y, right? Okay, we don't want tan y. Next, here sec square y dy is there, but we don't want here 1 minus e raised to x because these are the x terms. This is the x term. So 1 minus e raised to x. So divide by tan y into 1 minus e raised to x. So this gives e raised to x tan y dx divided by tan y into 1 minus e raised to x. And similarly plus 1 minus e raised to x sec square y dy whole divided by tan y into 1 minus e raised to x is equal to 0. So now here this tan y get cancelled, and here 1 minus e raised to x, 1 minus e raised to x get cancelled. So now this can be written as 3 e raised to x divided by 1 minus e raised to x dx is equal to sec square y divided by tan y dy is equal to 0. Okay, so now see here, in this term only x and dx term is there. Here also only y and dy term is there, right? So now integrating. So 3 is constant, take out 3. So now integration of e raised to x. Now here this numerator is the differential of the denominator. So when you differentiate this denominator, you will get minus e raised to x. Only minus is not there. So let us take divide and multiply by minus. So this gives minus, and here when denominator is the when numerator is the differential of the denominator, then its integration is log of denominator, right? So it is log of 1 minus e raised to x plus, and here also when you differentiate tan y, you will get sec square y because differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So its integration is log tan y is equal to constant, integration constant, that is c. So therefore this is the solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so this is how we solve the problem. So next we move on to the next problem. That is solve dy by dx is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 whole divided by sin y plus y cos y. Now in this case, very simple, just cross multiply. So here sin y and y cos y is there, and here x and 2 log x plus 1, and here it contains only x term and this contains only y terms. Okay, so just cross multiply. So cross multiplying. So what we get? Cross multiplying, this is multiplied to dy and this is multiplied to x into 2 log x plus 1. So that is sin y plus y cos y dy is equal to x into 2 log x plus 1 dx. Okay, so now integrating, that is sin y dy plus y cos y dy is equal to here 2 into x log x dx plus x dx. So now integrating. Okay, so now integration of sin y is minus cos y plus, now to integrate this we apply Bernoulli's rule, or you can integrate by parts also. You can integrate by parts also. So I apply Bernoulli's rule of integration. So how we apply? Let us see. So first function as it is, put the bracket, first function as it is, y, integrate the second function. So integration of cos y is sin y. Integration of cos y is sin y. Next, put minus sign, then y. The first function is y, so differentiate this y. So differentiating y means 1. Differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 into integration of again sin y. Integration of sin y is minus cos y, that minus becomes plus cos y, plus cos y. So this is over. So further, next take when we take minus sign, then we take plus sign. So minus plus we have to take alternatively. So first we have taken minus, because of integration sign of is minus cos y, so that minus and minus are multiplied here and it becomes plus. Next we take plus. Next differentiation of 1 is 0. Okay, so therefore we stop the process here only. So 1 cos y is equal to, next 2 into, again apply the same technique here. So first function as it is, integration of log x. So here what is integration of log x? X log x, okay, minus x. Integration of log x is x log x minus x. Then minus. Next is we take integration of x log x, x into integration of log x, then minus log x as it is, okay, into the differentiation of, x log x. We can apply here x log x by integration by parts. So now to integrate x log x, so we apply integration by parts. So here take first function as log x. Take first function as log x, that is this is as first function, and take x as second function. Okay. So by integration by parts, write first function as it is, log x. Now integration of second function, that is x, is x square by 2. Next minus integration of that is log x, integration of that is x square by 2 into differentiation of first function log x, that is 1 by x dx, plus integration constant, that is c. So this gives minus cos y plus y sin y plus cos y is equal to, now here the 2 into, now here it is x square by 2 log x minus, here 1x, x get cancelled, okay. So now 1 by 2 is constant, take that outside the integral sign. So now integration of x dx becomes x squared by 2 plus c. So which is minus, here minus cos y plus cos y get cancelled. So it is y sin y is equal to, here 2 get cancelled, x square log x minus again 2 get cancelled. So x square by 2 plus c. So which is the required solution for the given problem. Okay. So next we take another problem. So which I have given homework. I had given homework in the last class. So just I tell you how to solve that problem. Solve 1 minus cos 2x dy plus 1 plus cos 2y dx equal to 0. Okay. So now in this case, first here y term is there and here it is x term is there. We don't want this. And here x dx is there, but here we don't want this y term. So divide by 1 minus cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2y. Okay, so then this gives, so 1 minus cos 2x, 1 minus cos 2x get cancelled, and it gives dy divided by 1 plus cos 2y is equal to, and here 1 plus cos 2y, 1 plus cos 2y get cancelled, and it gives dx divided by 1 minus cos 2x. Okay. So now we know that from the trigonometric identities we can write 1 plus cos 2x as 2 cos square x, and similarly 1 minus cos 2x as 2 sin square x. Okay. So use those identities here, so which is equal to dy divided by 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x, and dx divided by 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. Okay, so now 1 by cos square x is nothing but sec square x, 1 by 2 into sec square x dy, and 1 by 2 into 1 by sin square x is cosec square x dx, because 1 by cos x is sec x and 1 by sin x is cosec x. So therefore this becomes, so 1 by 2 get cancelled. So now integrating. So what is integration of sec square x? So integration of sec square x is tan x, because when you differentiate tan x you will get sec square x. So integrating, it gives tan x is equal to, and what is integration of cosec square x? Differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So integration of cosec square x is minus cot x. So that is minus cot x plus the integration constant, that is c. So this is the solution of the given problem. Okay, so in the next class I start homogeneous differential equation. Thank you.